My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that the 2 Series comes with 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On our screen we can access my vehicle, navigation, media and radio, communication, connected drive and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.